Hi students, this is Miss Rodarte. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're going to be reviewing division in tens, hundreds, and thousands numbers. So let's get started. Each day you'll have a word problem and then you'll have a division problem, and then your other problems will focus on basic facts. So you will have to identify the basic fact and then solve the problem. So let's begin with the word problem. So like any great mathematician, when it comes to a word problem, you want to use the cube strategy. So let's review the cube strategy really quickly. Step 1 is C, circle all the numbers in the problem. Step 2, you want to underline the question you have to solve. Step 3, you want to box in all keywords like total, difference, sum, groups, and each. Step 4, eliminate information that is not needed to solve the problem. And step 5, solve the problem and show your work. And then you want to check your answer. You always want to check your answer. So let's begin. I included some manipulatives for you guys to use in your problem. And the line represents step 2, underline the question. The circle represents step 1, to circle all the numbers. The box represents step 3. You want to box in all keywords. So let's read the problem. The problem states Destiny is packing strawberries in gift boxes. Each gift box holds 7 strawberries. How many boxes can Destiny pack with 210 strawberries? So I already got started with the using the symbols, but I want to review how to use these symbols on your problem. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 says circle all the numbers in the problem. So you're just going to drag and drop. Right here is the number 7. We have 7 strawberries. So you're going to drag and drop the red circle. And then we have another number right here. She has a total of 210 strawberries. Okay, let's continue with our steps. Let's go to step 2. Underline the question. I already did that for you. How many boxes can Destiny pack with 210 strawberries? And lastly, let's box in all keywords. That's step 3. Box in all keywords such as total, difference, sum, groups, and each. I see that we have the word each here, so I am boxing that keyword. So now that we used our cube strategy, we can eliminate information that's not needed. So you really just want to focus on the items that you circled, what you underline, and what you box. That's your focus. We want to focus on each gift box holds 7 strawberries. How many boxes can Destiny pack with 210 strawberries?